How to save Snapchat story automatically. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you save Snapchat story automatically. To automatically save your Snapchat stories, what you want to do is open a Snapchat app onto your device, and there you just want to make sure to go to the Bitmoji from the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to go to this gear icon, and here you just want to make sure to select my app, after which you then need to go to memories from this. Here it is, and make sure that save button is toggled on, and this is how you're supposed to save Snapchat story automatically. Now what you want to do is you could just go ahead and locate, or just go ahead and take a snap, and you could just go ahead and select stories, and you could select this as well, and now you could just go ahead and open up added story. Here you should be able to find, or you just want to go to the Bitmoji icon. There you have story, and this is how you're supposed to save Snapchat story automatically. You can just go ahead and select my story. So here you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap the three dot. You could either go ahead and save it just like this automatically as well. So thanks for watching. See you in our next video.